Hi friends, welcome to another session with me Anusha. In today's session we are going to learn about the living world, life on earth and life forms. The living world. Life has evolved into an incredible variety of forms with almost 1.8 million known species and many more yet to be discovered. There are six kingdoms. Each kingdom is divided into groups of related living things called phyla, classes, orders, and families. Life on Earth. Life is almost everywhere on Earth, but some regions have some more species than others. Such areas are known as biodiversity hotspots. Every species of living thing is related to others that evolved from the same. They form groups of species that are related to other groups in the same way, like a family tree. This tree has six main stems, the six kingdoms of life. Three of them kingdoms are made up of organisms that are mostly too small to see without a microscope, but other three consist of the animals, plants and fungi. The six kingdoms. Archaea. The first life forms to evolve on Earth were the microscopic organisms called archaea. Bacteria. These are very like archaea with same structure, but their chemistry is different, showing that they evolve separately. Some bacteria cause disease while others are essential to our survival. One type, cyanobacteria, produce nearly all the oxygen in the atmosphere. Protists, also known as algae and protozoans. These are mainly microscopic single celled organisms. Unlike bacteria or archaea, each cell has a nucleus that contains the main life giving molecules. There are also other structures within the cell that make food or turn it into energy. Fungus. Although they seem to grow like plants, fungus feed on other living or dead organisms. Some fungus are single celled microbes, but some fungus form spreading multi celled root networks. These produce mushrooms and molds like those that grow on decaying fruit. Plants. Green plants are multi-cell living things that use the energy of sunlight to make food. In this process, they release oxygen into the air, which is very important to animal life. They mostly live on land or in fresh water, arranged from low-growing mosses to big trees. Animals. Like plants, all animals are multi-celled organisms. But unlike them, they cannot make their own food and must eat other organisms. Most do so by using their senses to find the food they need. And this has led to the evolution of intelligence.
Please do like, share, and subscribe.